I live here in Maine, and for those of us who live here, we quite understand what a blizzard is. But if you live elsewhere, when we have a blizzard in Maine, it lasts for hours. The snow accumulates deep, and it's often windy. And as the storm dies down some, it gets quiet, and there's lots of work to be doing. Shoveling, removal of snow. It's kind of hazardous out there under your feet. It's not good for your back. Well, during the snowstorm, often people just sit home and watch TV if they have power and they haven't lost it. And you get up and stretch your legs. Well, that's what my grandpa Tilly was trying to do. He had a little boredom with the snowstorm. And he got up, opened his front door, and as he opened the door, it pushed the snow away. And he grabbed some grade A snowball making material. There was a good heavy wet blizzard. So he made a snowball, and he looked across the street to his friend and neighbor's house, and he threw the snowball at his friend's front door, which happened to be a storm door. Thank goodness there was a nice big wooden door behind it, because what my grandfather did is he ended up breaking the window in the snow in the storm door. So his boredom just got a little bit more exciting. I'm sure he didn't mean to break the window. I think he was just going to have a little fun. So out came the neighbor, looked across the street and saw my grandfather and said, "What's going on? What's happening here?" And my grandfather said, "Those darn kids, they just went running in that direction over there. Little buggers." Maybe he used different language, I'm sure, but my grandfather, Teflon, right over there, those kids did it. So he had a little chuckle, and he felt a little bad. And I guess the next day was a Saturday, and he got up first thing in the morning, went uptown, bought a window, and replaced it for his nice friend and neighbor who lived across the street from us from forever. So when there's a snowy blizzard and you decide to make a snowball, just watch out where it's going, because you never know what may happen from there. Just ask Grandpa Tilly.